Stop pretending to sanctify sanitation workers. All castes dissent on sanitation work. There are many castes to litter. Why there is only one caste for scavenge? Enact law to ensure that each caste will do sanitation for themselves. Demolish caste-based sanitation work or prevailing caste discrimination in sanitation work. People who do this degraded works as such, sweeping street, cleaning public toilets, collecting garbage, manual scavenging, removing drainage blocks, cleaning septic tanks, washing railway toilets, doing manual scavenging in railway tracks, mechanize all kind of sanitation work. Impose caste-based reservation compulsorily in local, government and private sanitary works until mechanizing sanitation works. Even after mechanizing the whole sanitary works, provide 100% caste-based reservation for workers who handle those machines. Immediately install bio-toilets in all railways considering it as wartime. Implement 100% caste-based reservation in bio-toilet cleaning employment. Give 15 lakh as compensation for those who did manual scavenging and street sweeping generation after generation. Start separate banks for their rehabilitation. Make law to give 25% of multinational companies CSR amount to those banks. Create organizations like TADCO, Dicky separately. Implement law for government and private organizations while purchasing goods at least to buy 10% of goods from society which has sanitary workers representation. Create sanitation engineering, sanitation technology departments in IITs, IISc, national important institutes and other engineering universities. Give practice to all students from school to do sanitation works irrespective of gender and give internal marks for it. Dismiss sanitary workers post in all schools and colleges. Take action against the patriarchal and caste dominating idea that someone will come to wash. Legalize whoever litter is supposed to clean it. In every street, communities, apartments, hotels, lodges, marriage halls, create a small unit to monitor the sanitizing process. Give training for them to handle it. Don't give permission to organizations which do not have sanitation unit. In all government, private institutions, programs, caste, religion institutions, festival days, revolutionary organizations meeting, political parties meeting, legalize whichever community organize the meeting should compulsorily clean it. In Brahmin, Hindu temple festivals, in the village deity worship and festivals like Holi, Pongal, Diwali, Jallikattu, following the caste discrimination, marginalized caste to do sanitary work. Ban those festivals which have the discrimination that there are many castes to litter, why there is only one caste for scavenge. Ban discriminatory books as such Bhagavad Gita and Manusmriti which destroying humanity by imposing the caste untouchability and caste enforced duties in socio-economic polity and culture of India. Listen to Comrade Periyar's talk about the abolition of these caste enforced duties. Laundry Workers Conference means 1 hour caste conference. Similarly, the Ghani Labour Conference could be 1 year or Delhi Conference. Totis Conference if its city's manual scavengers and street sweepers meet. If carpenter workers meet, then it's Asari Caste Conference. So each caste forced to do their caste-based duties. This caste system should be abolished. Our policy is to abolish it. Vidudalai dated 19/4/1960.